Today we got something extraordinary to showcase to you guys. This 50 million dirham property here in Parkways, Dubai Hills. It's a 6-bedroom with 8 bathrooms. This is mental. Super excited to show you guys around this tour, so please come along. As we enter the house, we're greeted by firstly these massive wooden doors. Big house, you gotta have a big, nice door. It just screams luxury from the moment you get in. We have a little landing table here where you can leave your keys, and to the right you actually have the office space. We'll check out that a bit later. To the left here of you will find also the first powder room. But let's move into the main living room, social hub of this property. This is where you're gonna have all your social gatherings. I don't know if you can see and feel the size of this space. It's pretty mental. This is a custom built property, like all of the properties here in Parkways. You can see the wooden detail here. Lovely marble table here. With this type of house, you need to make sure you furnish it correctly, right? Mainly dining area over here. Then you would have your viewing place where you're gonna watch your television and have your family gatherings here in the evening to sit down and relax. All built-in furniture, matching subtle colors. I mean, it gives that kind of timeless, luxurious feeling here, which I absolutely love. And I think you can see a glimpse now of what is to come. The basement, wait till you see it, it's pretty mental how big it is. Moving then towards, there's so much space, so much space. I don't really know, how would you furnish this? I think more about when I was a kid, you know, what you want to do here, remove these armchairs, put up 2 goals and play a little bit of land hockey or something. So spacious. So lovely. You can easily fit a dining table here of, well, if you put it that way, probably have 50, 60 people sitting down eating dinner in this property.
Yeah, it's a perfect family gathering place or have a lot of friends over.
You need to have a lot of friends to make a lot of friends. And if you can buy a villa like this, typically you've probably been working really, really hard, right? So you need to spend time getting friends as well. Sun is setting here, so you have the sunset coming down over the Gulf down there. You actually can see downtown skyline. Dubai Hills, this area has become so popular and it's a reason for it. Location is great, but the community they built around Dubai Hills, that's what I think what makes it special and so attractive, especially for the expat crowd. And what we heard here from some of the real estate agents we've been speaking with, there's such a mix of people buying property here, and especially the villas. You will have a lot of people from China, Russians obviously, but we also heard from Thailand, Hungary, all over, right? Which makes this like, it is a melting pot, this city, which we absolutely love. Let's go out to the garden. We gotta go out and check this out. This is real grass. This is not AstroTurf, right? And you got a spacious garden here to also, of course, set up a tent here if you're gonna have a gathering or whatever. Put up again the football goals to
yeah,
play
we'll probably do that if we were living here.
This home is insane, and we're really, really grateful that we get to view this type of property. So huge shout out to our friends at Experience for giving us access to this property. And if you are more curious about this listing, let us know and we'll set you up with all the right people. Let's move over then towards the outdoor area here. This is where you would have your barbecue. I would call it almost like a pergola, you know, let some roses or
yeah,
something.
we probably have done that. Yes, make it even cozier.
It's one thing I really miss from when we lived in Sweden is the barbecue. I love doing that. We haven't really been doing it abroad too much, but this is like a barbecue for real men, for sure. It's massive, but you need that for this type of house. You cannot have a small one.
That's where all the men is gathering, and then the woman is in there and doing all the salads and doing the real thing. And then in the end, the man is getting the praise.
That's what we want. Yeah, we're drinking beer, grilling the meat, basically. But this is a lovely space here. The plot itself it's around 12,000 square feet. The majority of the plot is, of course, this absolute gorgeous mansion. You got your pool here with the infinity edge going down to the drop of the basement down there. The lovely thing with this basement as well, you're gonna get the natural light flowing in because you have this sunken area there, which is fantastic. But a great place to hang out, a great place to entertain your guests. And again, you need a lot of friends, a lot of guests to fill up this house. Lovely space. Lovely area, very private as well, I must say. It is very private. There's nothing really right behind here. You would only have your neighbors to the sides which most likely also would be very wealthy people and very private people, naturally. But let's move back into the house because there's so much more to show you in this property. We're moving over, I'm gonna make kind of like a circle around here. So let's move over to the kitchen area. Easily connected here. You're walking in between where you have the quarters of where you have washing machines. Moving into the kitchen then.
I love the door here as well, like this, it's kind of the same theme everywhere.
It is this timeless design with like the marble, the wood, it never goes out of style, right? We've seen a lot of apartments, a lot of villas here that they go quite experimental. You know, things that are popular maybe for a little bit of time, but this type of finishing, it will always work and you always like it. And it gives this, again, luxurious feeling. You wouldn't have any utilities here that are not good quality. It's Miele all around, which you would see typically in this type of property. Get your espresso here in the morning quickly before you run to the office, or maybe you're retired already. You can just chill at home. But entrance from both sides, and then what you need here, more storage. Got your coffee, got your wine fridge. Miele all around, nothing else. Absolutely lovely, isn't it? Before we go up to the upper floor, I want to show you first also the office space.
The lift, of course.
Yeah, this is insane.
You need to have it because it's so huge.
Yeah, and you have even a lift intercom here to call between the different floors. But moving in then to the office space here, I don't really know about the setup here right now. Two desks in front of each other.
It's perfect for you and me. You can be working side by side.
I think you would get annoyed with me because I'm always on the phone and always on the
shouting all the time.
The video meeting, sitting exactly this angle of each other. But here you would see the flooring here. You have the mattress, which is so nice against my feet, and you see the height of the ceiling. When you can custom build your villa, obviously, I think it's a no-brainer. You want to have this ceiling height. It gives you more space. As I said, now it's used for an office, but it could also be a bedroom. You have a walk-in closet area here.
Look at that design here.
I really like when you light up your wardrobes like this. When it becomes dark, it even looks better.
And it's great that I've done these kind of spacious wardrobes places here, because that's normally issue here in Dubai, that it's too small spaces.
But you can also like, look at this, it's like space around it, it's not tight. And then your ensuite bathroom. This is hotel feeling, really like a 5-star.
So luxury.
So luxurious, so clean, so nice and neat. And again, same theme all around with the wood color.
And this is just a guest room or slash office.
Yeah, wait till you see the rooms upstairs. They are even more spacious, I promise you. So that was mainly the first floor, and you get a glimpse here again of the drop down to the basement, and you're gonna get all that natural light directly down to the basement area.
This is like a big apartment, just this outdoor space down here. Now I really like the luxury feeling when you get here. It's a big hallway.
Big hallway.
And you get the natural light, you get a really nice view the first touch when you come in here.
Yeah, and you see right through the whole villa, right? And with the windows opening up, and you can get that breathing, the air flowing through the whole property. And again, I like hallways that are not cluttered with too much stuff. You want to come in and feel and breathe, breathe in the whole property. Let's use the stairs.
But yes, give a second here on the stairs. The glass railing up here, the marble stairs, and then you have like this big window that's coming in the natural light here.
Custom built, of course, everything. You're gonna get your steps in. You're gonna get your legs working here.
But I like that the stairs is kind of like in the middle of the house as well. It kind of give this luxury feeling.
Yeah, well, if you can choose. I mean, you can pick and choose whatever you want.
Wow, that villa is insane. We have a lot of people reaching out to us who want to invest in Dubai real estate but don't have the millions to fund it. Now we actually found a way how to invest in Dubai real estate for only 500 dirhams.
Yeah, and how is this possible? Well, thanks to fractional ownership, anyone from anywhere in the world can actually own their own piece of Dubai real estate, and they don't have to manage it, and they don't need to even know who the other owners are. Today's sponsor, Stake, lets you own a percentage of a property here in the city, so you can earn rental income, and when it's time to sell that property, you get the full benefit and advantage of that price appreciation. It's a fantastic way for you to get started on your own Dubai real estate journey and join us in all this madness going on here. No banks required, no mortgages, just hassle-free investment directly via the app in your phone.
If you want to try it out, we have a code here below, and that gives you 150 dirhams to invest in your first property. Now back to the door.
Okay, coming up then to the second level, which is more your private area of the property. You got another living room here.
It's huge. Oh my God.
Absolutely massive, this one as well, with this marvelous chandelier So if you can't agree with your partner what to watch, what movie to watch in the evening, I can sit up here and you can sit downstairs. No problem at all. And you're gonna get this lovely, I don't know, how big is this TV?
It looks quite small on the picture because the living room is so huge. But you also have the details, the same theme behind the TV.
Yeah, you got the frame, the custom built frame around everything. You got the storage under. I mean, look at the design here. Black marble with the gold details. The lovely terrace here as well. It is quite spacious and you got that width of the balcony as well.
And I think you missed the downtown view there as well.
Oh, I did. Yeah, if you can see it. You got direct views of downtown and the Burj Khalifa here lighting up in the evening. You never get tired of that view. You never do. Let's move over to the bedroom. So Malin, can you showcase that for us?
So if you follow me here, you will have the second bedroom here. This is a nice spacious here. I have this custom built bed frame, which looks really nice, gold, which I love, as you probably can see as well. Nice lamps over here as well. Same theme here as well, a little bit darker here, but you can put in some small design things here. This can make it even nicer. Then you have the same access here to the balcony, which have the view over downtown. And then if you continue here, we have the same theme as the bedroom down here. Nice spacious wardrobe, love this design here. And then exactly the same design on the bathroom here as well. You should make it really unified.
Why change a winning concept, right?
Exactly. I love this design. This is exactly how I probably have it. Marmor with this wood theme here. It makes it more calmer, nicer. Because if you have too much marmor, it doesn't get this cozy feeling. So you need to have carpet, a lot of textiles, curtains. So let's continue here.
Oh, I love your shoes. You want to tell us more about?
I didn't take off my shoes. I didn't want to be barefoot like Jacob, so I got this fancy blue. I feel like I'm going to dentist or something. Balenciaga or something is gonna copy it. But walking over to the big master bedroom. Oh my God. Look at the size here. Look how small I look. This is just huge. The bed frame here as well. Unify the bed. Have that in the center. You have this view against the football/basketball court there. So you can just watch your kid there after you're playing there. Some small makeup area here. You can just sit here, get the nice natural light here. You have, of course, the TV, the same theme here, the wood theme. And then look at this lamp.
A chandelier.
Yeah, it's like space or something.
Planets.
I love that mirror as well. And then, oh my God, this is just insane. Imagine to have that as your walk-in closet. This is a dream for every girl, to have this size, to have this design here. Wow.
You haven't seen this before either.
No, this was my first impression. I can't even describe it in a word how nice this is.
You need to buy more clothes if you buy this villa, but I guess that's the least of your problems.
I think this is gonna be just my wardrobe, and then Jacob can have the other one. It's the same theme as the other one as well, same kind of marble, but of course you have the bathtub. This is where I'm gonna spend all my evenings, of course. Kind of like a jacuzzi/bathtub.
And you got a nice little detail with the step, right?
Yeah, exactly. So like if you have a kid, they can sit here and you can brush their teeth. And then look at this size also of the shower. And look at the height of that rain shower.
That's a proper rain shower. Falling down from the clouds.
Might be Bali, might be Dubai, you know. You can choose probably. This is just top notch. Another level.
Another level, and you got another sitting area there for
the makeup. You can put your perfume there, your makeup. You have the shoes, and also, of course, storage for all your nice bags. Hermes, Chanel, all the luxury bags.
If you can, again, afford this type of property, I think that's the least.
You probably have that.
It's so big that it's difficult to furnish. I guess that's what you call a luxury problem, right?
Exactly.
A proper luxury problem.
And then you have like the sliding doors. It can be like indoor, outdoor.
And this bed is king size or even bigger. So it's just the size of things in here. It's on another level.
Let's continue. So coming out here from the master bedroom, we have another bedroom yet next to it. So it's perfect if you have kids, smaller kids, you close them so you hear breathing in the night. And then we have two exactly the same size bedrooms here. Same theme of the bathroom, same theme of the bedrooms as well. So they really unified all the bedrooms with the same quality and the same material. So let's continue up and see what is there. So now we are at the top floor. You can take the stairs or you can take the lift. And here, they haven't done anything here yet, but there has a huge potential to do something really cool up here. You can have like a jacuzzi, lounge areas, and then you have this view. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, you got the whole Dubai skyline. Downtown.
There's the marina, you have the Burj Al Arab there, you have the downtown here, so you can actually see the whole coast here. So it has a huge potential to do something here. So of course we had to try the lift as well. So we're gonna take the lift to the basement. Coming out from the lift, we have maid's room here to the left. We have another maid's room or some storage. It's a lot of space here. Then we have a powder room here, the washing machine, and then another bedroom here. Then we continue here. We have this nice big windows here. And then I don't know if I ever seen this kind of massage room, a room only for massage.
Yeah, why not? There are so many rooms. So.
And then we come in here and we are in this huge living room again. Big windows on both sides, good natural light. It could be a cinema room, it could be an activity room for kids. It has a lot of potential. Gym, Pilates corner, you have your personal trainer here.
Yeah, and just outside the windows here, this is then the sunken area we saw up by the garden, by the pool. You have the staircase outdoors connecting you to the front of the house.
Water from the pools coming down here as well. So it's getting like a waterfall here. Yeah, really nice details here as well. Marble floor, the wood furniture.
Yeah, you can tell that they have probably prioritized the bedrooms, second floor first, but there's so much. It's ready to move in and ready to also make it your own.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential to do things with all the rooms, I would say.
Putting in furniture in this house, that's a full-time job, I think.
I mean, you need a lot of furniture because the house is huge. Yeah, I'm probably gonna spend a lot of time here in the massage room.
What an astonishing piece of art this villa is. I mean, this has been a fantastic opportunity to be able to tour this amazing villa here in Dubai Hills. We're so grateful to be able to do this and to share it with you guys. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for following our journey. And we'll see you soon again.